Next topic, and the topic is the achievements of Dadaji Kundev. Okay, so we are going to learn what and all achievements were there due to Dadaji Kundev, and who was he and what was he doing, or what is the thing exactly. We are going to look into that. Okay, so are you excited to learn about that? Okay, come on, look into your page number 18 textbook. The achievements of Dadaji Kundev. So when Jizabai and Shivaji were in Karnataka, Dadaji Kondev looked after the Pune Jagir. So when Shahaji Raje, Shivaji Maharaj and Jizabai, when they were in Karnataka, were in the Bangalore court, right? They had shifted to Bangalore and then they came back to Pune. So at that time when they were in Bangalore court, who had looked for around the Pune Jagir? So that was Dadaji Kondev. He was looking around the Jagir of Pune. Okay, and he was the Subedar of Kondana also. So this Dadaji Kondev, what he was not only looking after the Jagir of Pune, instead he was also he was the Subedar of which place? Kondana. Okay, so Subedar means the head of the army, so means, and we can say a senior officer in army, something like that way. Okay, so he was a Subedar in Kondana also. So he used to both manage the things, as well as the Kondana place, Subedari in Kondana, and also used to look in the Jagir of Pune. Okay, and now they are telling us what were the characteristics of Dadaji Kondev. Okay, so he was very faithful. It means he was very loyal to his work. Okay, and then he was strict, efficient and honest in his work. So he was quite strict, like he had some rules, like definitely as he was in Subedar, he must have some rules and regulation in his mind. So he was quite strict. Efficient means well organized, and honest in his work. So he never delayed his work, or he was not lazy at his work. So he knew how to be loyal, means how to be faithful. So he was faithful, he was strict, he was efficient and honest in his work. What they are telling us ahead, so let us see. He was also just and a strict disciplinarian. So he was very just with his work. He was a just person, like he believed in impartiality. So he was quite like what we can say, strict. He was strict only, but he was also at that time he knew how to behave with people, how you can help them. So he had a kind heart also, we can say. He was just, and he wasn't strict disciplinarian. It means strict disciplinarian in the sense, disciplinarian is the one who practices discipline in his own life. So he practices, that person himself. If suppose I am telling I am a disciplinarian, it means what? I practice discipline in my life, and then I practice discipline in my life. That is why I am called a disciplinarian. Okay, so Dadaji Kondev, he was an strict, efficient officer and a disciplinarian. So he believed in the concept of like having very much, he was much disciplined person, and he loved discipline once, and he himself was disciplined. That is why he was a disciplinarian. Okay, he served with devotion. So he had served this his duties, he had done his duties with much faithfulness and devotion. Okay, at about this time, a big vada or residence was built in Pune by the orders of Shahaji Raje. And at the same time, what they are telling us, Shahaji Raje, who the father of Shivaji Maharaj and the husband of Jizabai. Now he is in the Bangalore, but he had sent orders from there that he wants to create a vada. You must have heard, and big residence and old time houses we call it still vada, we say, right? In Marathi it is called vada only. I have heard about it. Even you must have. Correct? So, and vada or residence, a big building, a big house was created according to whose orders? Shahaji Raje's orders. Okay. Then it came to be known as Lal Mahal. So that residence or that vada was called as what? Lal Mahal. Okay, it was called as Lal Mahal. Yes, that's right. To encourage the peasants to till their lands, Dadaji gave them concessions in the land tax for a few years. Now, to encourage the peasants, What does peasants mean? Peasants means a small, like a poor or small holder of low, like some land with low social status. Like in short, we can say a poor farmer, we can say, who has a small amount of land. So what did this Dadaji Kondev do? He, to encourage, to motivate the farmers, he made these peasants, these poor farmers, he made them, Dadaji Kondev gave them concessions. Concessions means what? Adjustment or compromise in money or some other thing. So concessions were given. Like suppose now if I am going to an hospital and I know, suppose a doctor is telling me to do a blood test. Okay, and if I'm doing a blood test, like I'm going to the hospital and I'm talking to the management, like they will tell me, suppose you have to pay 50 rupees for this test, just suppose. Okay, and I know that person who is sitting in the management is a good friend of mine, so he would give some concession for me. Maybe I will talk to him like, yeah, I do some adjustment, reduce the money, we can say. So okay, he will be like, okay, I give you a concession of rupees 10. So how much I have to pay? 40 rupees. 50 is the fees, but I know him and concession was given to me. So I'll get it, the test done by how many rupees? 40 rupees. So concession means like adjustment or compromise, we can say. Okay. So this Dadaji Konde, what he did, he gave concessions to these poor peasants, like poor farmers who have small amount of land. In what? In tax. So everyone has to pay the tax. We have the tax system right now also. At that time also, the farmers also used to pay the tax for their lands. So this Dadaji Kondev gave concession to these peasants for this land taxation for few years, for some years. So this made the peasants, means that small local class farmers, motivate, like encouragement. Oh, I don't have to pay the taxes anymore, like that way. For some years, he gave some concession for them. Okay. He offered prices for destroying the wolves which infested the countryside and harassed the peasants. Also, what Dadaji Kondev had done at that time, he had made a great change in the land taxation. Also, he had encouraged means he has motivated and had also given some prices. Now before, in the last video, we have seen that wolves were roaming around the countryside of the Pune, right, which used to harm the people living over there and everything, correct? So they were afraid of that wolves, correct? So who used to kill that wolves? So this Dadaji Kondev used to give them prices, used to encourage them, used to motivate them, like used to give them prices. So like it is a good thing, no? Like they are taking so much strength and power, like they are showing their courage and they are killing the wolves, no? Like they are saving their lands, their farms, and they are saving the people from that wolves. So definitely they should be appreciated. So Dadaji Kondev at that time gave them such people prices who had killed the wolves at that time. Okay, so after that, what they are saying, many wolves were killed. Like people had killed this many wolves because these wolves were dangerous for human life at that time. They used to harm everyone, correct? So these people who used to kill the wolves, Dadaji Kondev appreciated them and had given them the prizes also. Appreciation, we can say. He raised peasants patrols to protect life and property from gangs of thieves who roamed the countryside. Okay. Now these wolves too were killed only, but to save these people, these peasants, correct? To save these peasants from these thieves. Now two troubles were there. One were the wolves, they were getting killed, but still they were there. Okay. And the next one were the thieves who used to roam the countryside. This both wolves and thieves used to roam in the countryside and they used to like harass the people, destroy everything. They used to, thefts were happening by the thieves. Okay, so that is why Dadaji Kondev, what he had done, he had kept patrols. You must have heard that police is patrolling us for our safety. Patrols means a group of people who are kept particularly to keep a watch on some specific area. Okay, so now we live in Yavla. Now at night we can maybe suppose thieves are increasing day by day, and many thieves. If suppose a particular group is robbing every house in a colony, suppose different parts of Yavla. So police, they do, they keep a special team is kept for patrolling all over the Yavla place, so that they keep on patrolling each and every place in Yavla, so that whenever they see some weird people at midnight or after that wandering here and there, so they keep an eye on everything. So such kind of particular people were kept by Dadaji Konde to he specially kept for patrolling this peasants, so that they can help them. No thefts or wolves can harm these peasants. Okay, yeah. After that, what they are saying, he fixed land revenue according to the quality of the soil. Now this is a main issue. Like many farmers, many peasants at that time, by hearing this news, must be very happy and relieved, because all the soil, all the area and the soil must not be same, correct, of every farmer. Some soil might be, some farmers land might be more fertile, so he might get good collection from the crops after he has done all the process. But some farmers soil must not be that fertile, must be some infertility will be there. So many issues are there. So what he had decided, the land or the tax land revenue, which this fixed land revenue was there, it was decided according to the quality of the soil. Whatever the quality of the soil was there, according to that they had to pay the taxes. So that was a relief for the farmers. He thus made the people happy. See, I told you, by hearing this only the farmers must be very happy. The peasants were very happy with this news, because Dadaji Kondev understood their problems and tried helping them. So this all peasants were quite happy. In the fields of agricultural reform and revenue collection, the work done by Dadaji Kondev and the Nizam Shahi Wazir Malik Ambar is considered to be very important. So what they are telling us, in the fields of what? Agriculture reform and revenue collection. Agriculture reform. Reform means to make changes. Okay, so in the field of agriculture and revenue system, now these two person, who one is Dadaji Kondev and the second one is the Wazir, which Wazir? Malik Ambar. You must have heard, I think you should remember, I have taught you in the last lesson about Malik Ambar. He was the Wazir. He was a very clever Wazir, and still people take his name. He was a very clever Wazir in whose court? Nizam Shah's court. So Wazir Malik Ambar and Dadaji Kondev both had worked for the people, for the welfare of people, for the goodness, happiness of people, thinking about people, in which revenue system, like in this tax system, and agricultural fields, like modern things were introduced in agriculture so that the betterment of farmers could happen. Okay, so these both names are very important. Like they have made a great transformation, a great reformation in this both system. So this is all about the achievements of Dadaji Kondev. I hope you all have understood. Isn't it, kids?